In front of me is Lenovo Tab P12, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to access Play Store and download your new default. I will go with Firefox browser. Then open Devices Settings, scroll down and click on Apps over here. Following that, you need to select the default apps and click on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Now it's time to click on your new downloaded one to apply it, and when you're ready, go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!